Gogo's Story Journey. Thandi loved the stories her Gogo told. Today, our story is not in a book, Gogo said, her eyes sparkling. It is all around us. We are going on a journey through South Africa. Thandi looked up at the flat-topped mountain that watched over their city. A Table Mountain story? She asked. High above the city, on top of Table Mountain, the world felt brand new. This is the Cape Floral Kingdom, Gogo explained, touching a delicate spiky flower. These plants, the finbows, grow almost nowhere else on Earth. They are our special treasure. Their journey took them across the water to a small island. This is Robben Island, Gogo said softly. For many years it was a prison. A great leader, Nelson Mandela, was kept here because he believed everyone in our country should be free and equal. Next, they drove along the garden route, a road that twisted between ancient forests and a sparkling sea. Thandi pointed with excitement. Look, Gogo! Dolphins! A pod of dolphins leaped through the waves, racing their car along the coast. Deep underground, they explored the Kango caves. The rock formations looked like melting candles and giant statues. Gogo shone her torch on the wall. Look closely, she whispered. Long, long ago, the Sand People painted these pictures. They are telling us the stories of their world. Their adventure continued to the Drakensberg, the Dragon Mountains. The peaks were sharp and jagged against the sky. These mountains hold the sky up, Gogo said with a smile. They hiked along a path, feeling small and brave in the vast green landscape. The best part of the journey was Kruger National Park. It was a giant home for animals. Early one morning, they saw a family of elephants crossing the road, their huge ears flapping gently. A tiny baby elephant held onto its mother's tail. Later, they saw a powerful lion resting under an acacia tree, his mane like a golden crown. Gogo whispered, "He is the king here." Thandi held her breath, watching the king of the savannah yawn in the afternoon sun. Their last stop was the Blyde River Canyon, one of the biggest canyons in the world. They stood at a viewpoint, looking at three huge, round mountains called the Three Rondevilles. They look like giant huts, Thandi said. Gogo nodded. This land is full of stories and shapes. Back home, Thandi traced their journey on a map. From the mountain top to the deep caves, from the prison of a hero to the home of the lions. Gogo, she said, our country's story is the best one of all. And Gogo smiled because she knew it was true.